We're tracking the split in temperatures across most of mid-Missouri, not only during the daytime, but during the evenings as well. You can see how some of these cooler temperatures are settling across eastern portions of mid-Missouri. And then closing in on the 70-degree mark for overnight lows, it's that backdoor cold front that's been kind of setting itself up over central portions of mid-Missouri, leading to that split in temperatures. And that's going to likely be the case as we're headed into the next several days. You can see we're only going to be making it likely into the lower 80s. That would be from places like Columbia to the east. And if you're a little bit further west in mid-Missouri, you're likely going to be running into some warmer temperatures. And we've actually taken down temperatures throughout the week just a hair because of that front that looks like it's going to be staying around for the next several days. So in terms of the summer heat, it doesn't look like we're going to be getting quite as warm as what we were once thinking. We were originally thinking that this ridge of high pressure wasn't going to really have any problem pushing into the region, but it's this area of low pressure along with that cold front that's kind of just stuck over the southeast United States, and that's acting to kind of block that ridge off to our west. It's still getting plenty warm in places like Kansas City and even as far east as places like Sedalia, but in general that ridge kind of gets pushed down here over the next couple of days as this cutoff low looks like it wants to kind of dominate the region, and then eventually a cold front comes through as we're headed into next weekend. That will likely lead to stormier conditions and leading to that ridge getting pushed off to our south, likely leading to some cooler temperatures as we're headed into the weekend as well. And it looks like we could be dealing with another stretch of some stormy weather after this pretty nice dry stretch of weather that we've had here over the past 6 or 7 days across most of mid-Missouri. And in terms of the 7-day forecast, again, we've bumped down these temperatures just a little bit due to that cutoff low being a little bit more persistent. And then as we head into the weekend, still expecting things to get a little bit stormy, and you can see that cool down by next Sunday, dropping down into the low to mid 80s.